Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on 40-inch TCL with Roku TV. To do this, first we'll need to pick a language, and obviously you will need to connect your TV with the power source and insert batteries in the remote. Then we can, as I mentioned, pick a language. Choose the region. In this case I have two options, which are Germany and the United Kingdom, so I'm gonna go with Germany. Then we can set up our TV for home use or for store use. In this case we're gonna go with home use. Now we can connect our TV with internet or go with connect to the internet later. That means you won't be needing to log in or connect any internet connection. And in this case again we're gonna go with wireless, so set up a wireless connection. If you want to go for the wired, you will need to connect your internet source using Ethernet cable to your TV. So let me insert the password for the Wi-Fi. Then we can, and actually we need to sign in or create a Roku account, and if you chose setup later with the internet connection, you won't be needing to log in right now, but in this case we need to do it. So we can either go by enter email address or activate with QR code, and I'm gonna go with the latter option, which is activate with QR code. And for that I'll be opening my camera on the smartphone and then select the Google Lens. The icon should look like this. Okay, then we can confirm that we want the QR code. In a second it should show up on the screen and we can scan it with our phone. It should pop open a link, and now on our smartphone we'll be able to either create an account or log in to existing one by clicking on existing customer. And I'm gonna log in off screen for obvious reasons. And I just created, or actually logged into my account, and now it will check for any channel updates, and when it's done I think the setup will be finished. And then we can actually connect devices like PlayStation, Xbox or soundbars to our TV, but I don't have any, so we're gonna do it later. And then it's all done and our setup is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.